In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put a picture placeholder in a PowerPoint presentation. Picture placeholders are helpful because they create a consistent place for images across your slides. Instead of manually positioning pictures every time, you can design the slide layout once and then add images easily wherever that layout is used. To begin, open your PowerPoint file and look at the top ribbon menu. The next thing you will do is click the View tab on the top ribbon. This tab contains tools related to how you view and edit your presentation. As soon as you select View, you will see options for different editing views, including the one you need for creating and adjusting slide layouts. Now that you are in the View tab, focus on the Master Views group. In that group, click the Slide Master button. Slide Master is the area where you control the overall formatting and layout for multiple slides at once. This matters because when you add a picture placeholder here, it becomes available for the specific slide layout you choose, and it will be applied consistently. Next, you will see a set of slide layout thumbnails on the left-hand column. These thumbnails represent different types of slides, such as title slides, content slides, and so on. Select the specific slide layout thumbnail that you want to customize. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct thumbnail, because the placeholder you add will be tied to that layout. If you choose the wrong layout, the placeholder might not appear on the slides where you want to use it. After you have selected the correct slide layout, you are ready to add the placeholder itself. Click the Insert Placeholder drop-down arrow button on the ribbon. The name of this control is important because it is specifically designed for adding placeholder types to slide layouts. When you click the drop-down arrow, you will see a list of placeholder options. From the drop-down Option Choices menu list, choose Picture. This tells PowerPoint that you want a picture placeholder, not a text box or another placeholder type. Once you select Picture, pay attention to the slide area because your cursor will be ready to place the placeholder. This is where you define the size and position of where images will sit on that layout. Now click and drag your mouse cursor on the slide to draw the placeholder. As you drag, you are essentially outlining a box that will act as the picture frame. Try to match the approximate size and location you want for images on your slides. If you need to adjust later, you usually can resize or fine-tune the placeholder, but it helps to get it close now so your layout looks clean right away. Once the placeholder is placed, you will want to exit Slide Master. Click the Close Master View button on the ribbon to return to your normal editing view. This step is important because it confirms that your layout changes are saved within the presentation and allows you to test the new placeholder on your slides. Finally, you will apply the layout to use your updated design. Go to Home, then choose Layout and select your new design template layout. This ensures that the slides you are working on are using the slide layout that you edited in Slide Master. After you select the layout, check your slide to confirm that the picture placeholder appears in the expected area and behaves like a placeholder. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.